Unity is a game development engine used by many developers to create their own games. Unity has been used to create a huge variety of games, many of which you may have heard of, including games like Kerbal Space Program, Rust, Escape from Tarkov, Superhot, and The Forest. As you can see, many games made with Unity do very well on the market, and with how intuitive it is to use the engine, there's few reasons not to use Unity for game development. Unity's primary scripting language is C#, which, if you are unfamiliar, is a coding language made by Microsoft. C# is one of the top 5 most used languages as of 2021, even outside of game development. Meaning learning the language can be useful in the software development industry as well. C# is an easy to learn language if you already have experience with Java or C, as a lot of the syntax remains the same. Unity allows developers to create whatever game they desire, providing tools for both 2D and 3D game development. Some examples of these tools for 2D games are tile maps and tile painting, animation with states, and many more. Different tools are provided for creating 3D games, including character rigging, high-definition render pipelines, and an easy-to-use particle system that works with both 2D and 3D. Unity supports releases on almost any platform you would ever want to release a game for, including iOS, Android, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, and all desktop-based OSs like Windows, Mac, and Linux. Unity also provides various services, including a team collaboration tool to make working on a game in a team easier. Some additional services provided can include analytics, monetization, and diagnostics. However, some of those features are limited to Unity Pro. Unity has support for multiplayer built right into the engine. This includes services for hosting your game's servers and matchmaking, which are completely scalable. Meaning if you use this service for your game, you likely won't have to worry about your game doing better than you thought it would, and not having enough servers to match your game's player base. Unity also has a built-in asset store, which is incredibly useful to developers by allowing them to put a game together without ever having the kind of assets needed to build a game. The asset store contains models, textures, visual effects, and even tools made by the community to help make developing games easier. A lot of the highest quality assets are sold there. However, there is a large amount of decent assets that you can use for free to use for prototyping purposes. The developers at Unity are constantly working to improve their engine, regularly adding new features and tools to assist developers using Unity to develop their games. Unity updates 1 to 2 times a year with new features and improvements to keep up to date with current technologies, which is what makes it one of the most popular game engines, if not the most popular. Unity has a community behind it, with many people showing off their projects online, asking questions, and having discussions about all things Unity. Because of the large community, it is easy to find tutorials or answers to questions you may have during development of your own game, which allows you to teach yourself how to do almost anything within Unity. There is also an official Unity Discord channel where you can hop into a voice chat with people who are working on their own projects or may be more knowledgeable about certain things. The free version of Unity allows developers to release their games with no royalties, unless the game/company sells enough copies to surpass $100,000. At which point you can upgrade to Unity Pro, which costs either a one-time fee of $1,500 or subscriptions costing $75 a month. Unlike most game engines, Unity does not charge royalties for any games made with Unity. These are just some of the many reasons you should pick up Unity if you are interested in game development or even just looking to try it out. I hope this video has given you enough information on Unity and its benefits so you can make a decision about whether or not you would like to learn Unity and start developing your own games using it. Thanks for watching.